Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I'm telling you guys, Africa agree with me. Look at my clothes. So tight. It's about, I purchased clothes when I was in Ghana. It was big. And when I get to Kenya, I have to change from medium to large family. As you can see, the shirt is actually so tight now. The pants the camera actually turn all the way around. Let's recenter the camera up in the sky. Recenter. Yeah guys, I want to show you the pants, how tight the pants is. Well, me a talk too soon. Long time me a tell them to pants we have room. Yeah family, so as you can see guys, Africa agree with Jam Tours. Because why? I'm getting so fat and thick. And I'm putting on pounds upon pounds. Yeah family, so it's the morning time, we're heading out. Taking Miss Jam Tours to the hospital to do our blood sugar test or whatever it is family. But family is, when I wake up in the morning, thoughts just keep flowing through my head with this Mwango case. And I just have to actually come and make this video family to let you guys know exactly who we're dealing with. And and just for you to acknowledge and notice some traits. While I was actually, dealing with the situation, trying to get to our friends, trying to get to the closest people around our family, and even the keyboard them reactors, come out and with all these things family, trying to get her to talk about Jam Tours. So family, I want to make this video guys. If you want to get Mwango angry, just mention Jam Tours. You'll see our facial expression change, and you'll see how she start to get mad, and you'll see how she start to see the facial expression change family. But I want to ask you guys why your facial expression change, and why you don't want to talk about Jam Tour situation. Why you don't want to talk about Jam Tour situation. That's what we want to get at, and that's what we want to know family. Because as I wake up in the morning, I was just thinking about everything and saying to myself that I remember when I tried to reach out to our close friend, and to our friend tell me how she behaved when she actually heard the news that she was shocked and surprised and say, yo, how that happened, and I know that is your apartment, I know that is you paying everything, and we both stay there and see everything that is you, is your paying the rent every month, is you doing everything. We see that and know that, and we know that when she leave the country, you was there and everything. So she couldn't understand, and when she asked her about the situation, she get vexed. Where you answer him call for and all kind of thing and stuff family. And also again family, what I noticed that when she have her live videos and people mention Jam Tours, boop, quick and fast, delete our moderator, then delete it. So it seemed like she have a group meeting with our moderator them and tell them, anything you see Jam Tours, remove it. Her facial expression change and she get mad. And our moderator then remove it. And there's in a comment talking about Jam Tours, is people just remove family. So I just want you guys to notice that, and if you for rights and truth and justice, I want you to test it out for yourself. If you're a close friend to Mwango and you believe you're not like a bandwagonist, you're not brainwashed, you're not like people cannot fool you and toy you around. So what about Jam Tours? This man come on the line talking about a lot of bad things about you, that just scam him and thing, and about this apartment. Just ask her the question, say, what you have to say, let me hear your side of the story to see if I can actually see if that man is lying, to see if he's just looking for clout, to see if he's just, just looking for views and all of these things, family. So, I just want to know if it's the truth, and I hear your side of the story. I hear his side of the story, come out with receipt, bank transfer, everything. I don't know if you guys see that, but maybe I'll make a video about that and everything. You come out with everything and him talk about everything, but we're still not hearing your side of the story. Let's let me hear your side of the story, because I am your dieated fan, but I don't believe that people should do people like that. You know, so I just want to hear your side, and then I can say, if anywhere I can give you the benefit of the doubt and say, yo, you know what I mean? Jam Tours turn off him out because he's a big YouTuber, he have 400 subscribers and just looking for views and all of this. So, you know, not pay him no mind. Him just like, you know, once I hear your side of the story, we're not gonna pay him any mind because him just looking for views and he's just lying. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's like, you know, me and him was in things, and him, you know, because I dump him. Just say your side of the story, and then we'll understand. That's all the people I'm, you know, asking for. Just want to hear your side of the story, Mwango, and then we can decide and know that, you know what I mean, we can forget about the situation. But yeah, family, that's just what I want to come here and tell you guys, and you know, another twist to the situation. And that's the reason why, you know, most people, family, they use the situation to get pity and love from people. So that's what the Mwango do. That's what the entire family do, is they love their pity. And I want to tell you guys that no, we are all black people, and all of us go through colonization. And in Jamaica, it's worse than Africa, because at least in Africa, you know, your fourth parents still have them land. In Jamaica, nobody now on the land. We have to come from the gutter. You know, I just come on this earth with nothing, and I have to come out here and fight for my own. Them even in a better position than most Jamaicans right now, because most Jamaicans have to be paying rent. They don't own no land because the colonizer descendant them own all of the land in Jamaica. At least in Africa, your fourth parents own land and you can get land. But in Jamaica, it's a small island, and it's very colorism and racism and a lot of ism. You know what I mean? So, you know, when they come online and look pity patty from people using pit latrine and all that, we go through those things in Jamaica. If you're 35 and over and you're living in the countryside in Jamaica, only the colonizer descendant them have a privilege in Jamaica. So when you come and attack and use pity patty and people that favor you and I say, oh, like he's a angel, they don't know that he's a demon inside. You know, close up, and people who know you personally know that he's a tricker. He's a tricker. So I just want to make people know that. And if you're 35 and 40 and living in Jamaica in the diaspora, you used to use pit latrine, you used to carry water bed, you used to have cook on wood fire, all of these things. You have outside kitchen, outside bathroom, you just have one room, you know, just a little box, because, you know what I mean, everybody's coming from colonization and slavery in Jamaica. Nobody has land. It's only the descendants of the blood-cleat colonizer. Them have all of the land, all of the beach land, and all of the prime land owned by the colonizer, a descendant. You know what I mean? And another, you know, people who come to Jamaica come buy up the land and build big hotel and build big house and thing. You know what I mean? So, you know, when you come on the internet, it's just that Jamaicans are proud people, ambitious people, and, you know what I mean, we are the Bantu people, and we just proud, and, you know, no matter where we come from, how we make it in life, you know, most of the time you're not really hear we talk about it like that, because we not look for benefit from that. So, you know, you come online and make it look like, say, yo, it's them alone go through struggle, and it's them alone this and that, it's them and them, you know what I mean. And the Jamaicans don't do that. Jamaicans don't come online and look pity patty for nobody, even if them not no food to eat. That's how Jamaicans are. So we are just different people. So when you see them come online begging pity and patty and this and that, and you know what I mean, oh, and this and that, and all kind of madness. And then people are going to feel like them, oh, the poor girl, the poor this, the poor that. You know what I mean? But you don't understand these people. You know what I mean? You have to be around them and have to know them. Imagine you actually, you know what I mean, you rent your apartment and you never expect somebody to do something like that, because you treat them so good and give them so much things. You know what I mean? Imagine I carry so much things from Ghana and a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? A lot of things. You know what I mean? When you hear shit talk about skin care and all kind of thing, when in those time 2021 from May to from April to October, when she actually, you know, scam me out of the apartment, when she talk about skin care, I carry so much shea butter and black soap and stuff from Ghana and give it to her and stuff, and when she do her party and stuff, she was have them, you know what I mean, and stuff. So enough things I do. I pay the shipping and everything, and I don't come and talk about these things. You know what I mean? All of these things. So I don't deserve this. Jam Tours don't deserve this, family. So, you know, if I want to actually use an entire month to talk about the Mwango, you know what I mean, nobody should comment and say nothing, because at least I have YouTube. Hopefully I'll get some views and get back my refund. You know what I mean? I get back my money. because she take everything in the apartment and just take it over. If you're gonna take the apartment over, then all right, just give me back my things them and pay me for my things and continue use the apartment. That's all. We don't take everything and then make bold face comment that all I got to do is block you, not even from Africa. So that's what I'm trying to let you guys know in your head. That Mwango, once you know that he's like, you know what I mean, he's a foreigner, you don't have no rights, you don't have nobody around you and stuff, she will scam you. She will try to use her brain. You know what I mean? You feel like everything is good, and when you realize, you know what I mean? So all of these people around her following her, doing videos and stuff, make sure that you get something out of it. And don't, you know, collaborate. See, from a call out Kino and say, you know, Mwango trying to scam your Kino and stuff. She start put him description and start tag him and start share him thing. And she never used to do that. She shared one time, yes, but you can see that the man, you know, displeased. And from I made that video, she started to actually talk more about him and stuff, you know what I mean? And you guys can see that too. She started to put his link in the description and stuff like that. Because these are the things Mwango do. You're not most, you know, Kino maybe not really talk about it, but deep down maybe it was bothering him. Maybe she watch the video or him watch it and suggest it to her and say, yo, you have to, you know what I mean, somebody in Jamaica taking care of you, you have to give them proper shout out. Because that's what is needed. There's nothing else somebody can do for you, you know, and you can, it's not like you're paying them. So the proper shout out is really needed. That's all, that's the best you can do for somebody. So guys, I just want you to analyze and look at things. And you know, if you want to experience a facial reaction or she getting mad when you mention jam tours, test it out for yourself. So if you're a dieated fan, you're not really a dieated fan, but you're on the fence, and you say, oh, this is my Jamaican brother, oh, this is my African brother and sister. But when you do somebody wrong, no matter if you're African or you're the person, the same thing, justice is there to serve. You know what I mean? There's no way, not because Mwango is African and not because she online begging pity patty and she have a few subscribers. You know what I mean? You must treat her different. She's not an angel. You know what I mean? Almost everybody who she come across said that Ponte come and said she scam him. JB come and say she scam him. Aaron Dante, you know what I mean? She leak out the message him, so how much she scam him and thing. And that is it, family. You know, most men are just simp. They will just sit there and just take it. I'm not gonna take it until the day and the internet shut down. I'll be talking about this matter. So if you feel like this will go away, it'll affect you more than you think. Because a lot of people are gonna watch this right now and see how much views I got on that video. You think I'm gonna stop? Worse, I'm getting views. I'm getting like 10k views. I don't care about the views, but at least I'm getting little views. Maybe I'll get back my money. You know what I mean? At least it's reaching people. So when people see this, they know that when I go to a country and I meet Mwango, you just do what you know. If you don't do nothing, no farm a partnership and business with her concerning money. Because she looking for the bag. And any way, any means and any way possible, she will get the bag, family. So, you know what I mean? But this jam tours bag, you know, will affect you for life, because these videos will be out there, all these partnership and all of these futuristic things that people might see and want to do with you. They might think twice when they see all of them type your name in YouTube and say that you scam a man in Kenya and in your own country, you scam a man, and them see all of these other people who you used to be around close to, them have something to say about you. They're not going to do nothing with you. So you feel like you're going somewhere, but you're not going nowhere. You feel like you're shining, but you're not shining. Just a matter of time. Time is the master of all. Time run the world and rule the world. Yeah, family. Yeah, guys, this is Uncle Roo from Jam Tours Africa. I just make a week worth of Mwango videos just talking about the situation and just try to educate people about, you know what I mean, you know, about her behavior and stuff that she can do to you if, you know, you give her the opportunity. If you're a clown, if you're a fool, if you don't like, you know what I mean, pick up on body language and pick up on a lot of things, Mwango will use you. I'm telling you, you know what I mean? So anybody who there around her and don't see that and know that, you know, I hope you see this video and you can be smart around her and know how to deal with her. Because if you don't know how to deal with her, you're going to get used. Look at Kish My World. Imagine the man have to fly back to Sweden. The man have to fly back because the man come. I was watching his video, family, when the man was on the phone with her and tell him how much his visa come through and him getting paper and him coming to Jamaica, and she was like, oh yes, her voice is soft, oh yes, come. And when she come, blood clot, the man sick in Jamaica and nowhere to be found. And the man host you and take care of you. I see the man even make breakfast for you in a house and stuff. And maybe and the man have a little thing going on, and the man I say, yeah, when I come to Jamaica, man, Mwango go roll. Yeah, and the man in the same parish, you never link up with the man. The man have to fly out And I'm sure he feel that way and he don't want to come and talk about it. Because most men, you know what I mean, you have a few little subscribers and they want to unsubscribe from your thing. And that's the thing. That's the weapon, most people don't want to come and call her out because they want to lose subscriber. But Jam Tours don't care about subscriber. I'm just here sharing my experience. And this is just a family channel. I just can't wait for this thing to over so I remove all of these videos and focus on what I'm doing properly because I am here for a reason. I'm not here for this, but this is a part of the journey and I got to deal with it. I'm not going to come and I'm not going to silent on the internet while you're making video every day and I'm not saying nothing. People have to be educated and know what is what and know that when them come around you have to be careful. Be aware. This is Anke Roo from Jam Tours Africa. One love, God bless. I'm out.